Hey Albert, Wilfrid track fans, how you doing guys? Obviously still a little bit nervous about being on the screen. As you can see in the background here, we've got track 102 guys, and this is actually 4.2 in the brochure. Let me see if we'll get you a decent shot here. So there you go, 4.2, 4.2. We're gonna have some good fun on this one. So no further ado, we'll get into it as I talk through the commentary on the track, racing around, having a good time. Tell you a little bit about my experiences in the last couple of weeks. I've been out and about. I went to see the guys at Rockingham. You guys are amazing. Thanks for taking me under your wing so nicely. And also met some guys over at Daventry on the way to work once to see a customer who lives out past Warwick. Keep passing this miniature place. So Sean, Mark, great guys over at the Daventry Mini Slot Club there. You should pop in. They do all sorts of stuff there as well. They do RC vehicle track. They've got an off-road track. They do trains. They do simulators. They've got it all going on. Really nice guys. So feel free to pop in there. And yeah, let's go on with the episode. Let's go and have a track preview. Oh yeah, track preview. So the highlight. One of the things for this track preview is we don't know what car's going to be on the track to race, because I decided of every corner to use a different car. So Alfred, Wilfrid track fans, can you guess which car is going to be the star of the show today? I'll see you trackside after the preview, guys. See you later, guys. Ta-da! Hey Albert, hey Wilfrid, track fans, how you doing? And we are trackside, and yes, I don't know if you guessed it right, but it's the Bentley. And a shout out to my dad, because this was his car as a present to me, and I do love it, and it is still mainly intact. The only things missing are the wing mirrors, but the spoiler is on, which is remarkable. There's a little bit of gluing going on there, so we have had some fun with this one. And yeah, so track 4.2, are we ready guys? The Bentley Continental GT3 is on the track, Centenary Edition. We love it, it's great. So let's drive into the first corner, hammerhead round into a drift circle, Chicago. Up and around the corner there, this car glides. I always forget how easy to drive this car is, it's so nice. Do we pop out a little bit of a drift? No, let's get the feel of the track. I'm just getting used to the car. I only took a corner in the car so far, but I tell you what, it is handling really well, and I am enjoying this drive. Albert, I might send this down so you can have a go. It's awesome stuff. So anyway, I tell you, something exciting happened in the last Friday. I'm recording this on Saturday the 11th, yes. So last week I went over to Rockingham to check out the racetrack and meet the guys and see what happened. Oh, we got drift, we got drift, we got drift! Chatting away, we got drift. And they were really welcoming. They took us in, they showed us how it's done and what they do and how to race and different aspects of the car tuning. And so, well, I'm gonna go back next week. I've got a car on order. So maybe, just maybe, I'll ask them if I can record my new car on their track. That will be a special moment, but we'll see, we'll see. Ultimately, I just want to go there and race because it's amazing. A car I've got that's coming is going to be super cool. I can't wait. Drift! Drift! Get in there. So anyway, Albert, Wilfrid, what's it like to be back at school? Track fans everywhere. Are you at school? Are you back to work? Or are you one of these lucky people, now that everyone's gone back to school, you've took a holiday? Awesome stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it if you're watching this on the beach somewhere. Sun cream is the king. So, track fans, next track is going to be coming up soon. Well, we'll keep an eye on that. That's going to be good fun. Track 5.2 apparently. I don't know how the numbering system works because it's 4.2 and then 5.2. So what's the next one? 5.3 or 6.2? It's anyone's guess. I'm not turning the page though. Oh yeah, nice drift for the Bentley. Oh, he got a kick out on the drift circle. He is on fire. Loving this drive. It is so smooth. So smooth. Definitely can't wait for you to get back up here, Albert, next time. Or now we can go. I might pop up out of the blue one weekend on a road trip and see you guys with the track. Build one around the whole house. It'll be awesome. So, shall we make this our last lap, track fans? It's nice to have a little chat. It's a small track this week. I've had a sneak a little look through the book. You can get this book online as well. Shall we have just a quick recap of what it is so you know what you're looking for if you do search for it. Let's get you that front cover. There you go. This is what you're searching for. It's got a picture of the two race cars, red and white on the front. 27 circuits for Scalextric's model racing. Oh, while we're talking about model racing, I might have to do a couple more laps actually. Albert, Wilfrid, are you available in November? Because there's a winter sale going on in Gaydon for Scalextrics and slot car enthusiasts. There's over 50 different stands down there. There's going to be track, there's going to be chat, there's going to be swapping, there's going to be absolute brilliant day out on that one. So on the next episode I'll firm up the dates for you, but you can find it quite easily. Put in gate. Oh, look at that drift around the circle. That was awesome. That was amazing. Get in. I do like a little bit of poppy drift when it comes off like that and you're not expecting it. I think the tyres are getting warmed up now. I didn't dust the track off. It's been I did though a couple of days ago, so add into it. But yes, going back to the sale. Support your local slot car enthusiasts who go down there to trade and just keep the hobby going, keep the imagination fired. There are some tasty motors going, things that you didn't even know existed will be there. I cannot wait, we will be there. We'll hopefully be able to do some secret recording and bring you the latest in technology or just some classic crusty motors. I hope I see a ZZ Top car there. You know, the one in cherry red. Anyway, on that note, let's pull it into pit stop. Let's all get excited because we are out and about. Albert, Wilfrid, track fans. Nice one. I'll see you soon, guys.